it's Remy. Welcome to my channel. So today I thought it'd be really fun to do a video where I try something that A, I've never tried before, B, I don't really understand, and C, I really haven't done a lot of research. You know what, I take it back. I can't say that I don't really like it if I've never tried it. So today we're going to try ASMR. I'm thinking of like the SpongeBob thing. ASMR. Alright, so the only ASMR videos that I've really seen are my friend Kim Tai, which I will leave her channel link down below. She does a lot of mukbangs, and some of them are ASMR ones where she's like crunching into a microphone and this and that, and it seems like fun because she's eating crab legs, and I was like, I want crab legs. And then Life with Mac, who's that girl from Twitter, and I always reference you. So yeah, that's really all that I know. That's the extent of my knowledge on this subject. Side note, if you guys like ASMR, this is not to offend you in any way. Obviously, there are so many people that like it. It is a very trendy, cool thing. I just think that I personally don't, but I guess we're gonna figure out in this video today, but yeah. Okay, first up, we're gonna look up Kim Tai ASMR crab. I saw her eating king crab leg. Oh wait, I should probably look up the definition first. Man, this video is already a train wreck. I knew it was gonna be, but not this early on. Okay, ASMR definition, here we go. Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response is an experience characterized by a static-like or tingling sensation on the skin that typically begins on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine. I'm just reading it, I felt tingles. All right, so basically, I think it's supposed to just like relax you, and it gives you like the tingly sensation. And I think what I can tell is like some people like the tingly sensation and some people don't, and I'm almost positive that I don't. But anyways, we're gonna attempt to try this. Back to Kim Tai's video of her eating crab. I got chills on my shoulders. Why am I holding myself? I don't like it at all. Oh my god, 1 million subscribers, you go girl. Tapping in Walmart. It's a lot of just like eating stuff. It's a lot of just like talking. Oh, she reviews makeup, tapping and scratching on paper. Welcome back to my channel. Ah! Are you ready? Ah! Ooh, yeah, she did good. Can you imagine this walking on the floor? He's not really fitting in there. All right, so since the crab legs are already cooked, I just put them in the water for like a few minutes and letting them just take a nice little hot tub soak. In the meantime, I've got a couple cucumbers here, which I'm gonna be honest, they're not super fresh, so they might not be as crunchy as Kim's, but we're still gonna try. Oh, that was the stuff. I'm gonna leave them in like big. Oh man, it's not that crunchy. I should have gotten new ones. I'm sorry, guys. Ooh. We are now here at my very beautiful, clean craft closet. As you can see, very organized. And I'm just looking for like props and things to use. I found these plastic beads. I figured maybe these would be good. Ooh, the tingle. Ooh! Ooh. Yeah. My body's shaking. Side note, let me just say, I've gotten so many tweets telling me that I should do ASMR after Pretty Basic, which is my podcast that I have, by the way, with my best friend Alicia. Everybody keeps saying that I should do it because I have a relaxing voice. This is just like perfect timing. Thank you to those who think that. You're probably gonna regret saying that now. But yeah, I've got everything ready. Let's head back and let's try this whole thing. Oh, I'm supposed to whisper. I don't like this at all. Okay. I can't do this, seriously. Eli's trying to give me directions behind the camera, but he can't talk because I'm whispering and it's my video. Okay. Oh my god, everything's so loud. Oh. Oh, my thing was on. It's okay. I'm so scared I'm gonna hurt myself. There's liquids. Got my towel. Okay, now I can do this properly. My microphone has crab juice all over it. Oh my god. Okay, that's not gonna work, okay. We're just gonna like, oh my god, my ears, I'm an idiot. We can cut that part. I don't think anyone is tingling right now. How do you make this like noisy to eat? I'm not supposed to do it with my mouth open. My mom told me that. Honestly, this just tastes really good, so. Oh my god, this looks so good. Boiling crab is shaking. This is just me eating. Oh my god, mukbang. Oh my god. This is a hairy crab. I didn't feel any tingles. I'm such a good mukbanger. It's because I'm Korean.
actually so much fun. Last but not least, we have another thing of sprinkles. I don't want this to end. Honestly, I'm having a lot of fun. Well, that was a lot of fun. I would like to retract my previous statements and let you know that ASMR is actually very interesting, and I had a lot of fun doing this video, and it's probably good for my voice that I'm whispering right now, so I should probably do this more often. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna keep eating my crab legs. Bye.